What if I told you there are 9 simple skills that can make men unable to resist your charm? Forget love potions. These social skills are the real magic to make men spellbound. Picture this: your social skills sculpting the way you are perceived, shaping the essence of your relationships. In this journey together, we'll explore 9 key social skills that have proven to be the secret sauce in many successful love stories. Through extensive analysis of real-life success stories, we've uncovered the common threads that make certain women irresistible to men. Are there specific behaviors that can make someone irresistible to others? Absolutely. Let's take a journey through the first 3 of our 9 social skills that can make you an irresistible charm. First stop, empathy. Picture Sarah, a lively woman who always prioritizes understanding the feelings and perspectives of others. This quality makes her a warm presence that men find comforting and attractive. Next up is active listening. Think of Emily, who pays undivided attention when someone is speaking to her. She nods, asks relevant questions, and provides thoughtful responses, showing her genuine interest. It's no surprise that people, especially men, are drawn to Emily's engaging demeanor. Our third skill is positivity. Ever met someone like Lisa, whose radiant positivity is infectious? Her optimism and cheerful demeanor make her a joy to be around. Men find her uplifting spirit irresistible. By mastering these behaviors, you can become a magnet for attention and affection. What are the next 3 social skills mentioned in the video title, you may wonder? Well, let's dive right in, shall we? The fourth skill is empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. This skill is like a secret key to a man's heart. When you show genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings, he'll feel seen and appreciated. Coming up next is the art of listening. Now, this isn't just about being quiet while he talks. It's about actively engaging in the conversation, asking thoughtful questions, and showing genuine interest in his responses. This makes a man feel valued and heard. The sixth skill is positivity. A positive outlook is infectious and attractive. It creates a warm, inviting aura around you that men find irresistible. Now, these skills aren't just for wooing men, they're also valuable in everyday life. They can help you build stronger relationships, improve your communication, and enhance your personal and professional life. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice. Are there any common misconceptions about social skills that this video will address? You bet there are. Let's delve into the last 3 social skills and debunk some myths along the way. Firstly, the power of empathy. Often, empathy is mistaken for agreeing with another's perspective, but it's about understanding their feelings, not necessarily endorsing their viewpoint. It's a powerful connector that fosters deeper relationships. Next, active listening. Some believe it's about silence, but it's more about engagement. It's about showing interest, asking questions, and giving feedback. It's a two-way street that leads to a stronger bond. Lastly, the art of vulnerability. It's often misunderstood as a sign of weakness, but it's actually a symbol of strength and authenticity. It's about showing your true self and creating an environment of trust and intimacy. These skills aren't just applicable in romantic relationships, they're also potent in various social contexts like work or social gatherings. These skills contribute to overall personal and professional success. You're now equipped with 9 powerful social skills that can make a man addicted to you. These are not mere tricks, but genuine qualities that enhance your charm and make you irresistibly attractive. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these skills, refine them, and weave them into your daily interactions. This journey of self-improvement doesn't end here. But don't stop here. Follow up by watching our next video. Develop a high-value woman mindset in 5 simple steps. It's the natural next step on your journey to becoming irresistible.